The pluggable USB to Ethernet adapter is a versatile and reliable solution for anyone looking to enhance their network connectivity. With its USB 3.0 interface, this adapter offers lightning-fast data transfer speeds, ensuring a seamless and efficient online experience. Compatible with a wide range of operating systems, including Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and Chrome OS, this adapter is an excellent choice for both home and professional users. Whether you're a gamer seeking low-latency connections or a professional requiring stable network access, this adapter delivers. Its compact design makes it highly portable, perfect for those who need a reliable connection on the go. Despite its small size, it packs a punch with its gigabit Ethernet capability, providing high-speed internet access wherever you are. One of the standout features is its ease of use. Simply plug it into your device, and you're ready to go. No complex setup or driver installations are required, making an ideal choice for those who value convenience. Additionally, the adapter's durability is impressive. Built with high-quality materials, it's designed to withstand frequent use and travel, ensuring a long-lasting performance. In terms of performance, the pluggable adapter excels. It consistently delivers stable and fast connections, making it a reliable companion for all your online activities. Whether you're streaming high-definition content, engaging in online gaming, or simply browsing the web, this adapter ensures a smooth and uninterrupted experience. Furthermore, its compatibility with older operating systems, such as Windows XP, is a significant advantage. This adapter provides a simple upgrade path for users with older devices, allowing them to enjoy faster network speeds without having to upgrade their entire system. Overall, the pluggable USB to Ethernet adapter is an exceptional choice for anyone seeking a reliable, fast, and versatile network solution. Its compatibility, ease of use, and impressive performance make it a top contender in the market. With its ability to transform any USB-enabled device into a gigabit Ethernet-ready machine, this adapter is a must-have for anyone looking to future-proof their connectivity.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.